What's up, guys? Back here with another video. I'm going to be installing a Kemimoto soundbar on my 21 Polaris Rangers. Let's go ahead and get that started. So this is the soundbar. It has 4 speakers and 2 tweeters. I already got the clamps on here, so I'm going to go ahead and get that put on. This is my 21 Ranger, and I'm going to be putting the sound bar right up here on this bar. So let's go ahead and mock that up. So I got the 2 clamps up there. I'm going to go ahead and bring the speaker up now. The soundbar up and mounted. Got the clamps tight, so that's not going nowhere. Now I gotta run the wiring for it. Alright, so I got the cable plugged in here. It just screws in, and that goes straight into the cigarette lighter I have back here. So what I'm gonna do is tie strap the cables all along there, so it's not gonna be hanging around. So it'll be out of the way, so nobody will step on it. So that doesn't come on until the key, once you put the key in the on position, that's the only time that comes on, whenever the key is on. So it's not like it stays on all the time. Here's the speaker, let's turn it on.